I am HFO D Acharya, 706503H from Air Force, and I joined this course on 24th June, and as it is finishing on 13th of September 2024. This course was what I feel it was towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat, because this course enabled us to learn about how to manage the business, particularly retail leadership. This will give enough confidence for us to start our business by self, or we can contribute towards any organization if they recruit us. The course curriculum was enough, but one suggestion: the name should have been changed to diploma. That will give more confidence to the prospect employers. Then the faculties were sufficient, and they are quite empathetic, and they taught us very comprehensively. Then the course participants also took part with their great enthusiasm, and all the infrastructures, barring some little hiccups, teaching aids, everything was fine. And at the last, which I would say it was a marvelous course. Thank you very much, the DGR.